mama, man, look at her. Huh. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip riding with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.
So let me see what's poppin', y'all. What's poppin'? Excuse how I look. About to go get my hair done in like probably 5 minutes. I'm here waiting for her. Yeah, last night I finished washing and taking out my hair at about like 1:30, so I didn't even get a chance to record that. I was tired. I just went to bed. But we here, it's a new day. It is now Saturday. I'm supposed to have my shoot tomorrow. I am not done making my outfit yet. We'll see how that goes. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. My shoes came. Did I bring my box? Oh yeah, my shoes came. I didn't think it was gonna come in time, but it came. So now I gotta finish my outfit so I can wear that mess. But we're gonna see, all right? I'll let y'all know. Stay tuned. Finish watching the video. Okay. So I'm back from getting my hair done. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? It's the same style, but a little bit different. A little bit different. Let me show y'all. It go all the way down to my thighs, y'all. I ain't never had hair this long. I'm excited. February 13th, I'm still not done with my outfit. I just woke up. I need to go get some food for me to eat, and I'm come back and finish sewing. But I did say yesterday that my package came in the mail with one of my shoes. So I'm about to open that right now and show y'all before I go get some food. I'm excited. Can you see? Up. No name brand, of course, because they are from Shein. They're from Shein. Last minute pickups for my B-Day shoot. I'm excited. I can walk in these for sure. These are short. I finally finished my outfit. Well, kind of finished. I'm not totally 100% satisfied with what I made, but I still want to take pictures and I want to still finish this vlog for you guys. So I went ahead and just finished up this outfit, and I'm going to go take pictures right now. It is about like 8:30, I think. My brother's about to help me take pictures. My brother's and his girlfriend, they're about to go help me take pictures right now, and you guys are about to see how that came out. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I enjoy it. I'm about to take them pictures right now. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, just walking around. Cute. Okay, Hills. Right. Let me show y'all this setting though. The red one? Where are your flowers?
Stand in front of this car.
Up on this car. I think people just got it. The light is just the car. Try not to be like any of the signs. I'm about to lift one leg up. 1 second. Okay?
Alright, I'm gonna take it.
Stay still.
3, 2, 1. It's too slow.
Hey y'all, and that's the end of my Valentine's Day shoot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed everything. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which video you'd like to see me do next. And yeah, let me know how you like this video. I don't know. I try my best with this outfit that I made. Hope the pictures come out cute, but we'll see. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys soon.
Baby, I'm so glad you're here. Tell me what you want and what you feel. Only speak the truth, I want the real. I want the real.
I know you got another trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart.